All right, I just got this, so let's go ahead and unbox it. And not quite sure what it is. We'll find out, I guess. Here it is. Again, these are to keep moisture out. Put them over there. And here is a booklet on it. It's the JA300. And yeah, I think it's in German and in English. So this tells you all about it. We'll put that to the side for right now. I think this is a quick start thing. It kind of tells you what to do with it. All right, looking good. All right, let's get it out of the box. Wow. All right, there it is. This thing also comes with a big giant box of stuff. All right, so here is the, let's see what we got here. All right, so you can plug stuff in here, USB-A, USB-C, pump, and I don't know what that is. I guess this, you can pump stuff up with this, from what I understand here. And it's got a light on one side. It's got another hot caution thing there. Not sure what that is. This says hot, caution hot. Not sure what that is. USB-C, USB-A. And this is, I think, for the car. I think you can start your car with this if the battery's dead. I think this is a giant battery is what it is. You know what I mean? Let's see what's in here. Oh, look. Okay, let's get rid of the box. Got one of these big, oh, look at this. Yeah, I knew it. So this is a battery, and it is a charger, and it's also a pump. It has a USB-C, USB-A. It has the air pump hose, and it has, let me get this off of here. This is for hooking up to your car. Just like that. All right, so this has multiple functions. One of them is you can jump your car with it. And if you look at this, you can see there's a little flat side right here. So if when you turn it on the side here, you're gonna notice the top is flat. So it's gotta go in like this. You see, like that. And now once that's in there, now you can go to your hot and to your negative. So you got hot and negative right there. So you can do that, you know, if you need to jump your car. It also has, look at this. You hook this up and you can blow up your tires on your bike. See that? So it's a bike tire blower upper. And it has other heads that you can use for your car, I think, for a volleyball or a football or some other type of thing. So you want to hang on to those. Okay, so, and then this here is the end that you're going to, you know, fill up whatever you're filling up. And then this end would go in this one over here. This is where it blows out. And so we would just go like this. And then I think we just got to put it on here like that, right? And then I think I just got to turn it. You know what I mean, jelly beans? And once I get it on there, like that, we're ready to go. And then we can use the pump. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of here for right now. All right, we'll take that out because when we try to charge the car, we'll do that. All right, so let's turn it on. We'll hit the universal on button right here. Okay, it's on. There's a light one here. Let me hit the light. Oh, wow, that's bright. Turn it off. So the light you got to push and hold. Bam. That's really a good flashlight. And turn it off. So this is something you want to keep in your car, you know what I mean? So, oh, look at bar PSB. Let me do that. Oh, 145 pounds. I don't want that much. Let's go down. I'm going to put it at like 40. So most cars are like right around 39, 40, and so is my bike. So that's where I would put that. And it looks like I got like a little bit of a charge. I think I got 2 more lights that could go here, but I don't know. So this would be the pump, and that would, supposedly it pushes air through there. I turned it off. So you got to push it and hold it. Then it comes in. Push it and hold it. And it turns off. So that's how that works. I'm not going to hook these up right now because I'm, don't have it on the car. But if I did, then we could do a jump. But I think the batteries are all working. So for us to charge this up, I do believe that what we have to do is we're going to do USB-C or USB-A. So we got to read and see what that is. Let's take a look and see what it says here for the charge. So it's that one's for charging and one's not. So we have to look in here and see what it says. So if you look right here, charging USB-C. So we would put our cable right here. Okay. Oh my God. Getting these things undone. One more. All right. We take the USB-C, and you're going to need a charging block, right? And you got to stick it in here. And then I can go ahead and plug this in and charge it. So that's what we're going to do. All right. Let me pull it out of there. Now I happen to have, I'm going to take this off of here for right now. Okay. Let me get it off here. Okay, I got that off. Always put this back on so you don't get corrosion. All right, so here we are. Now we got to charge it. So I'm going to take it over here. I'm going to plug it in. I have some USB-Cs in a block, so I can just use those. I don't need to use the one they gave me. So anyway, here's my mess on my desk. If you look, this is a charging block that's plugged into the thing up here, and I have a couple of these USB-Cs. So I could use either one of these. So all we have to do really is just pull her up here and put it in there. Let's see if I got enough room. Got to turn it like this. Okay, so I'm just going to shove it in there, right like that. And you can see, look, bam, now it's charging. So I do have 4. So let's just go ahead and let it charge up, and then we'll come back, and then maybe later on we'll take it out and try it hooking it to a car battery that's dead. But I got to find a dead car battery. I don't know if we're going to do that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos.